Okay, question 12. I'm solving some equations. So I need to think about how to solve equations. I know that I need to have whatever my variable is, so whatever my letter is here, on one side, and I need to have all my numbers on the other side in order to be able to work it out. So, and the other thing I need to know is that whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. I must balance it by doing the same thing to the other side. So to get this, to remove them, take away 19, I've got to add 19 to each side. So that would give me x equals 43, because I've added 19 to get that away from that side, plus 19. Which gives me 43 plus 19. I can do it in my head, but you do have a calculator to double check in an exam. Why not use it in this exam? So 43 plus 19 gives me 62. So x equals 62. Okay, 12b, 9y equals 72. Now, when you've got this with a number and a letter next to the number next to the letter, what that really means is 9 multiplied by y. We know that. So that's 9 multiplied by y gives you 72. How do I undo a multiplication? I need to do the opposite, so I'm going to divide. So I'm going to divide this by 9 to get me just y on this side. Okay, so I divided by 9 to get to there. So I need to divide this side by 9 as well. And that's going to give me 72 divided by 9. You should know that from your times tables, but this is a calculator paper, so you can double check. And y equals 8. Okay. 12c. W over 5 equals 10. Well, this over 5, anything like where you got a line and then a 5 underneath, this means divided by 5. W divided into 5 parts equals 10. So how do I undo the dividing by 5? I need to do the opposite, so I'm multiplying by 5 to give me just W on this side. Whatever I do to that side, I must do to the other, so I must multiply that side by 5. 10 times 5 gives me 50. So W equals 50. There's another mark.